Hello guys, welcome to the channel Easy ETL, your one-stop YouTube channel for all your ETL learning and solutions. Let's talk about today's topic. What is ETL? Most of newbies who wants to start their career into data needs to understand ETL process and its importance when dealing with data projects. In this session, we are going to explain you ETL in the simplest way possible and cover some important aspects of it. Moving on to the agenda of this video, we'll be discussing what is ETL, starting with definition of each term, that is extract, transform and load. We are trying to be as simple as possible so that anyone with or without any technical background can understand this. Next, we will discuss why organizations need ETL, what is the benefit of it, and lastly, a quick summary of everything we have covered. Remember guys, we are keeping our videos short and to the point, discussing only what's beneficial and not beating around the bush. Our main motive is to help you guys get the most out of it without wasting your time. So let's start. ETL stands for extract, transform and load. It refers to a process used in data management and analysis to collect data from various sources, transform it into a suitable format, and load it into a target system such as database or data warehouse. Let's dive into each step individually and try to understand its meaning and significance as you can read it. Extract. In this step, data is gathered from various sources such as databases, spreadsheets, web services, or files. This involves identifying the relevant data and retrieving it from the various type of sources such as databases, files and web services, internal systems within a company or external data provider. The extracted data may come from different formats and structures. Goal is to identify the relevant data and retrieving it from the source system and use this data set for analysis. Transform. Once the extraction process is completed, data goes through the transformation phase to make it suitable for analysis. This step involves cleaning, filtering, validating, and reformatting the data into a consistent and usable format. Common transformations include removing duplicates, handling missing values, modifying data format, and applying calculations or aggregations. The purpose is to ensure the data is consistent, accurate, and ready for analysis. Next and the last one is load step. After the data is transformed, it is loaded into a target system. This could be a database, a data warehouse, or a data lake. This step involves storing the transformed data into a manner that facilitates the efficient querying and analysis or reporting. Until this point, we have discussed what ETL means, and now moving forward brings us to the point why ETL is so critical for organizations. ETL is essential because it helps organizations consolidate and integrate the data from various sources into a central repository. By transforming and loading the data, it becomes more consistent, reliable, and accessible for analysis. ETL processes are commonly used in business intelligence, data warehousing, and data analytics to support decision making, reporting, and gaining insights from large volumes of data. ETL has also evolved with advancements in technologies such as cloud computing, big data frameworks, and automation tools. These technologies have made ETL processes more scalable, efficient, and flexible, enabling organizations to handle massive amounts of data and process it in near real time or in large data batches. Everyone, now we are moving on the summary section. Let us recap what all we discussed. We discussed what ETL means, like extract, transform, and load, and we dived deep into their definitions as well in a very simple way. Next, we discussed why organizations need ETL, why it is so important for every organizations to look into their ETL processes. We also discussed where the ETL processes are used and how it supports decision making and reporting. ETL is also getting advanced and utilizing the computation power we get from cloud computing and big data frameworks. With this, we wrap up this session and we will come up with more interesting and easy to understand content for you. So stay tuned. Now friends, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, share the link of this channel in your network, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications whenever we publish a video. Also leave your valuable feedback and comments in the section down below. Thank you for watching.